Good morning, dear parents. Today is 1st January 2026. First all, wish you a very happy new year to all the parents and children.
Today, firstly, we started our day by praying to Lord Ganesh, who is known as Vignaharta.
Secondly, it was Shivling's birthday. We celebrated his birthday in school by cutting the cake with his family, teachers and students.
Happy birthday to you. Happy
Thirdly, there was a plan to go to one-day trip to Zindavali. Children are very happy with their colorful dresses and smile on their faces. A trip to Zindavali. Children are very happy with their colorful dresses and smile on their faces.
The trip and played the games and enjoyed the food and snacks which is given by Shivling. The children loved the snacks very much. Finally, so this was the whole day program of the New Year 2026 which made the day special. Thank you.